individual who is not snoring. The airway is completely open without any area. A very common source of snoring is due to vibration of the soft palate or a very long uvula. Here is what a vibrating uvula causing a snore looks like from the inside. Can also vibrate causing a snore, causing any partial obstruction. When the tongue falls in the direction of the red arrow, the narrowing results in mucosal vibration resulting in a snore. A final source of a snore can come from the voice box, known as arytenoids, collapsing into the airway and vibrating, causing a snore.